Okay, so our tenants left us this couch. Are we gonna keep this couch or it's gone?
Sure.
Sure? Okay. This is our new RV park. We're turning into a tiny home village. I'm fucking out of this thing. Watch the nails sticking out. Very discouraged. So we are in Idaho City, small town of 800 people, situated on 1.5 acres. That includes this commercial building that's behind us. And there's, I believe, 6 or 7 trailers, but this is our first chance to actually walk it without tenants, and we've never been inside any of these buildings other than the main house. We had a budget. I'm super freaked out about it now that I'm looking at it, but we will figure it out. You got money, sugar mama?
I can sell your house.
Okay. All right, let's do it. Let's go check it out. Building 1 right here. Okay, it's locked. Here's our notice, which I will tell you, this part really honestly felt hard. Even though these are very, not good units, it was very difficult still knowing that you are moving someone, right? When they are not. It's just, yeah. Washer, dryer, car seat, water bottle. So this one had the best yard. We're trying to see if there's any salvage material. So far though, there's some wood salvage value, but they're really not anything I can't imagine we would renovate or keep. There's this creek that runs through. Because of this creek, we're now in a flood zone. We talked to the owner who said it hasn't flooded in 50 years, but with the way our climate is, I feel like you never know anymore. And the neighbors call this shit creek, which obviously would allude to the fact that it's not a nice creek, but I think it's cute. We'll have to try to clean it all up, and it does create kind of a natural separation line, so I guess we can kind of imagine what we want to do with that, and if there's something we can try to incorporate that into our overall build aesthetic, I suppose. You just have to have very big imagination.
That's our neighbor, right?
No, those are ours.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Congratulations, you got 2 more. Okay, I guess we can try this one and I'll see if it's unlocked. Oh, careful. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Oh, we're open for business. Okay. Spider webs. Oh, custom flooring. The fact that we want to be completely up and running in the next 120 days is insane to me. 4 months we want to be okay, we're ready to go. Okay. I gotta be honest with you, babe, I'm excited.
I don't know what to say.
When it's there, the way of the sun coming through when you have all these power lines and stuff, you don't have the opportunity to just start cutting. Look at all these power lines. Look at the way this tree is leaning.
We cannot let them keep leaning.
We'll figure it out. We'll have to figure it out for sure. But actually, do you have any ideas of how you would want, since they'll all have the glass A-frame or the glass wall, the glass front?
Yeah, you don't want to see each other.
So each one will be its own little hiding place?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Today is October 16th. They are telling us that we should be able to get the first set of tiny homes coming in around December if the weather holds, meaning they're being built in a warehouse in Canada. So if that were to happen, I think they should all be here around January, February, and we're obviously basically in November. So that's a 4-month window for us to get these all done, to get foundation set. That's another piece of it. We've got to get foundation set for these so they can just roll right in on the foundation. And we've got to get the main house renovated and figure out what the plan is. And then beyond all that, we got to furnish these. And as we've been experiencing on our other properties, getting furniture is any kind of is a nightmare, yeah?
It's keep postponing. It's telling you 1 month will become 4 months.
So
we don't know.
So it could be 4 or 5 months till if we order now, we could barely be getting it when the house is coming. We're ready to go.
Discouraged.
Very discouraged. Scared. Scary, scary, scary. You're gonna step on each concrete thing, watch the nails sticking out of the wood. Okay, 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 okay.
I thought he wants the stove, no?
I don't know. Oh no, he wants these upper cabinets, which I said fine.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Wow, secret room.
Carport, car driveway, cool. Look at all this good wood though. Yeah. I don't know, I feel weird to throw all this wood away. Okay, this is be very, very, very careful because there's nails sticking out right there. Okay, let's cruise through. Okay, so here's a power box. That's what I wanted to know, power. Okay, so I wonder where septic or where sewer is. Probably right there. Do you just take a bulldozer and you just rip at it? Or do you have to do some like special way to take apart? And then the whole thing will collapse on the bulldozer and he will almost die. Oh shit, watch out, Johnny. Let's talk about budget. I would say, truthfully, if I'm being honest, every time we've done this was on a residential house that was already standing, that we just knew, okay, 50K or less, 30K or less, much easier to control and understand that.
Yeah.
This is all new for us, so I feel like, yeah, of course it should only cost X, but we know there's so many more surprises that we haven't dealt with before that can come up. From permits to, we just spent $5,500 in building permits. And then we got that notice they want $3,500 each for each sewer and electric hookup. Fortunately, these already have them, so we didn't have to pay that. But at first, we didn't know with that $7,000.
Well, I told you this.
Yes, but we weren't sure, right? And that would have been $40,000. So I think there's definitely going to be some. I mean, do we have a number that we're hoping? We don't want to go over like. We've already spent for the tiny homes, which is about $500,000. So we don't want to spend more than $200,000, right? On renovating the whole park.
But I don't think we can put that number.
I don't think we can either.
You don't think you can what?
I don't think we can make $200,000 work for including the renovation of the main house. I think it's $300,000.
What about landscaping?
In landscaping,
Landscaping is gonna cost a lot.
fence.
Also trash, cleaned up.
Yeah, just getting these done and how much it's going to cost to get these things out of here.
I give up.
I feel super scared. I don't honestly know a budget, but I think it's, I think 250 is the number we're going to roll with in our head for right now. And we just will have to see what's going to happen.
I don't think so.
All right. So if you want to watch our next project as we tackle on this RV park, subscribe right here and make sure to hit that bell. And I want to hit my own bell. And the next video in our series will be right up here. That's cute.